Morning YouTube. Today's video is to show you all guys how I install my wind turbine pole mount system. This piece of iron is 7 foot high. I drive it down in the soil with a sledgehammer as deep as I can. Then I drill 2 holes. That hole here is to hold the wind turbine. It's just like an hinges, so I can lift it up or put it on how when I want to, if I have to service it. And this one here is just to lock it in place so that it cannot fall. And then I still put 2 U-clamps to hold it here to keep it more steady. And this split here I have here, it's just for when I lift up the wind turbine so the wind turbine can rest on it. This split here, there's a U-clamp holding it as well. That wire loom here is the wire phase AC wires passing through it. It passes under the house to go inside the house. This is the plate here as a wire phase AC wire. This strap here it holds the wind turbine in place. There is a wind turbine. It makes it power right now, but it's not much wind, but it's making a little bit power for me. It is on a 24 feet pole. I have 3 guy wires holding it. Oh, it's gonna be very fast. It goes so fast, like you see, like it's not turning. Here is the rest of the installation. There is a charge controller for it. One of the green lights. The first green light is mainly it has power. The second one, it shows like it charges the battery. I install a 3-phase breaker for the 1-phase AC if in case I have to do any maintenance on the system. Stay tuned for another part. I'll be in another video soon about the wind turbine to show how it makes to show all the power it push into the system. Bye.